You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this song, or this melody, this play by Yann Tiersen. Comptine de notre été. Comptine de notre été, l'après-midi. That's your French pronunciation right here, correct? How to say correctly. Comptine de notre été, l'après-midi. In English you can say it as Comptine de notre été, l'après-midi. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.